Hello, my name is Randall Deschler. I am a student at the Jackson Rivers Governor School at Dabney. I am a student at Jackson Rivers Governor School because I wanted to get my general classes out of the way so when I go to college, I can focus on my major. And today, I am going to be showing you how to calculate the circumference of the Earth using nothing but a stick, a measuring tape, and a bit of math. For this experiment, I set up my stick in between some books like so. Now, if you want to do this, you don't really need to use some books. You can just stick your stick into some soft dirt. And then you want to measure from the base of your stick, so around right here to the end of a shadow. And you want to do that about 10 times on 3 separate days around noon sometime or 1 o'clock p.m. For the next step of your experiment, what you want to do is you want to find the length of your stick, and then you want to find 3 lengths of the shadow closest to 1 p.m. or noon sun time. And you want to average these lengths together because an average will be more accurate and closer to what we want than just using one length by itself. Then what you want to do is you want to draw a triangle proportional to these measurements up here. So for mine, I would just drew a triangle that was like 1 centimeter equals 1 millimeter. And then using this triangle right here, you can calculate the angle of the sun hitting your stick, which casts the shadow. And that will be important later. For the next step of your experiment, you need to find your latitude. My latitude is 37.81 degrees north latitude. And now, since every degree of latitude is equal to 110.94 kilometers, you need to multiply that number by your latitude, and that will give you your distance from the equator. Now, for the next step, you want to put the angle of the sun hitting your stick over 360, because that is a full circle. And then you want to make that equal to your distance from the equator over the entire distance of the Earth, which is unknown. And when you solve this ratio, you will get the entire circumference of the Earth. Mine happens to be 476.78 kilometers. Yours might be different due to some errors. This experiment was first conducted around 2,000 years ago by the man named Eratosthenes. Now, when he did it, he had predicted that the Earth was 40,000 kilometers, which is pretty far off of what I predicted it for, because I predicted it to be 476.78 kilometers. So I was about 39,000 kilometers off, or a percentage error of 98%. So I probably messed up somewhere in my measuring. But Eratosthenes, he was actually much closer, only being only 30 kilometers off the now proven circumference of the Earth of 40,030 kilometers, or a percentage error of 0.0074%. Not bad for a man almost 2,000 years ago with nothing but a stick. Now, I got Eratosthenes' measurements and the measurement of the entire circumference of the Earth from a video, and I'll also link a few other videos in the description to further help study how this experiment was conducted and about Eratosthenes. So, bye.